Hi cuties, what's up? I am Sakshi. Welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am a CA finalist and I am preparing for the November 2026 exams. I'm just gonna take you along with me today for a day of me just trying to be as much productive as I can. I just got done with my first study session of the day. It wasn't a very long study session because I'm feeling pretty hungry, so I'm gonna go and have my breakfast. Then I will start studying again. Now, what I'm doing is basically I'm doing one lecture of IDT and then I'm revising DT. तो बस I am done with half of the lecture. Once I will be back, I will study DT only क्योंकि मेरे को उसके 2 chapters complete करने हैं आज. तो that's what my study target is looking like. At the end of the day, I will complete the remaining lecture that is pending. तो बस that's what the day is going to be like. I've just ordered a couple of things, so let me do a finish. So you guys, I am done with my study session. I have studied for like 4 hours and 30 minutes so far today, and now I'm just gonna go and take a shower, and then I do want to make like a coffee or a matcha. I haven't decided yet, so we will see about that. And then we will come back and start studying again. That's what the plan is like right now. Also, you guys, my tripod has broken again, and last time मैंने उसे fix कर लिया था, but फिर से टूट गया है वो for some reason. इतने ज़्यादा angles नहीं होने वाले हैं आज के study sessions में, and I'm just trying to be a bit more on the productive side instead of trying to fix the angles for the content for you all. So yeah, bas that's it, and now I'm just gonna go take a shower, and I'm sort of taking a break right now because I am very tired and I just want to take a little break. So मेरे iPad की charging भी ख़त्म हो चुकी है, so it's getting charged while I go and do all these things. you guys, I am back in my room. I've taken a shower and this is my outfit of the day or the night. Literally spent like 1.5ish hours. I took a shower, I was having some food and then I was also reading and talking to my family. तो मैंने काफ़ी कम ही read करा है, but the book that I'm currently reading is Hooked, and yeah, we can just talk about it right now for a bit. Okay, so you guys, this is the book that I'm currently reading. This is Hooked, and the book is in dual POV, and we are going through the book from the minds of these two people. First one is Eriko, the other person is Shoku. Eriko is smart, she is driven, she is working in a company, and she is at a really nice position. But then she is unmarried, and she does not even seem like she wanna get married. And then she also can't really make friends or like female friends in particular, and this book really revolves around female friendships. And then the other person is Shoko. She has a blog and she lives with her partner. She is married and she is living like a very laid back and lazy life, but she is satisfied with it, or that's what she feels like she is. That's how the book has started, and we are just learning how they met each other and how their relationship is like. And Eriko is quite an obsessive sort of a person, so I am not really liking her character that much, simply because I think she needs a lot of self work that she need to do. But I am just like halfway through the book, so I can't really tell what the main problem is. But yeah, she really need to like understand herself a lot better before she want to like go out and make friends or get into any romantic relationships, is what my take is. And Shoko is this person who does not want to do anything, and she is like happy with the bare minimum in her life. So I don't like both of them that much, but yeah, it is what it is. But I am really enjoying the book simply because they are making such, like Eriko in particular is making such terrible mistakes. And yeah, it's just really interesting to read a book like this, and I'm just enjoying the book a lot. I don't really feel like stopping reading and actually studying, but that's what I need to do. So bas, that's my review of the book so far, and I'm really enjoying it. I really want to complete the book in this week only, so let's see कैसा रहता है. And yeah, now I am just gonna get back onto my studies because that's what I need to do. आज मैंने mainly questions practice करे हैं, क्योंकि मेरे को लगता है मैं थोड़ा सा procrastinate कर जाती हूँ whenever I have to do questions, and it bites me back really hard. तो this time I don't want to do that, and मैं अभी बस questions ही practice कर रही हूँ. I'm gonna continue doing that. अभी the chapter that I'm doing उसके बस 4 questions रहते हैं, तो मैं वो करूँगी and then I will start with another chapter. तो बस that's what is happening right now, and yeah, let's get back into studying.